Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Tina. Let's make a DIY glow-in-the-dark ghost tree bags. You'll need tissue paper, glow-in-the-dark sticks, scissors, string, a marker and beads. This DIY turned out to be so cute and easy to do. First, we unbox our treat boxes. Second, cut a square piece of your tissue paper. Here I am reusing tissue papers from gift bags, so it is quite wrinkly, but it doesn't matter. Do you also have a bag full of tissue papers saved up for future use? Third, cut out your string to hold the candies and treats together. Next, lay out few candies. You don't need a whole lot of candies to form the ghost's head. Here I removed a chocolate just so the head looks rounder. Insert a glow stick in the middle. Finally, tie the string together like so and knot it twice. Adjust the head, take your marker and draw the eyes and smile. That's it! So simple and easy to do. Voila! Here is your DIY glow-in-the-dark ghost treat bag. How cute and adorable is this? I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my other quick and easy DIY tutorials. You will be glad that you did. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.